What's up, everybody? We're diving into making money online without spending a dime. Zero investment, infinite returns. There are legit ways to build your bank account from your bedroom. Whether you're saving up, paying off bills, or just want extra cash, stick around for some serious knowledge.
I feel nauseous, believe me.
First up, freelancing. It's a game changer in today's digital age. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are digital marketplaces where you can sell your skills. They connect you with clients from all over the world. Are you a graphic design ninja? Design logos for businesses. Your creativity can turn into a lucrative income stream. Got away with words, write articles, website copy, the possibilities are endless. From blog posts to ebooks, your writing can find a home. You set your rates, choose your projects, and you're your own boss. This autonomy is what makes freelancing so appealing. It's all about leveraging what you're already good at. Your existing skills can be your ticket to financial freedom. No need for fancy degrees, just pure talent and hustle. Your dedication and skill are your greatest assets. The more you work, the more you build your reputation, leading to bigger projects and more money. Consistency is key. It's the ultimate side hustle for flexibility and unlimited earning potential. You can work from anywhere, anytime. Think about it. What skills are you wasting right now that could be making you money? Every talent has potential. You enjoy writing, editing, maybe you're a coding whiz or a social media guru. There's a market for every skill. Whatever your talent, there are people out there willing to pay for it. The internet has made it easier than ever to find clients. Don't underestimate yourself. You'd be surprised how much people will pay for services you might take for granted. Your skills are valuable. I've seen people make bank on Fiverr doing voiceovers, creating animated explainer videos, even writing personalized poems. The opportunities are endless. The key is to create a killer profile that showcases your skills and experience. A well-crafted profile can attract more clients. Don't be afraid to show off your personality and what makes you unique. Clients love working with someone who stands out. When you're just starting out, consider offering competitive rates to attract your first few clients. It's a great way to build your portfolio. Once you get some positive reviews, you can start raising your prices. Good feedback is your best marketing tool. It's all about building momentum and letting your success speak for itself. Keep pushing forward and the rewards will follow. Next up, let's talk about making money with online surveys. It's a simple and effective way to earn some extra cash. Companies pay you for your opinion. They value your feedback and are willing to compensate you for it. They want to know what you think about their products, services, and marketing campaigns. Your insights help them improve and innovate. Now, you're not going to get rich quick with surveys, but it's a reliable way to supplement your income. It's a fantastic way to earn extra cash while you're watching TV, waiting for the bus, or taking a break from work. You can do it anytime, anywhere. Plus, it's super easy to get started. No special skills or experience required. There are tons of reputable survey sites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vendale Research. These platforms are trusted by millions of users. Just sign up, fill out your profile, and start taking surveys that match your interests. The more detailed your profile, the better the survey matches. You'll earn points or cash for each survey you complete, and some sites offer bonuses for being an active member. These rewards can add up over time. The key is to find a few legitimate survey sites that you enjoy and stick with them. Consistency is crucial for maximizing your earnings. Don't fall for scams that promise you'll make hundreds of dollars overnight. Always do your research before signing up. Be patient, consistent, and watch your earnings grow over time. It's a gradual process, but the results are worth it. You're already scrolling through social media. Why not get paid for it? Surveys are a great way to monetize your downtime. Turn those idle moments into earning opportunities. Now let's talk about a game changer: affiliate marketing. This is a powerful way to earn money online by leveraging the power of the internet. The earning potential is limitless, and it can become a significant source of passive income. Affiliate marketing is about promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission on every sale. It's a win-win situation for both the affiliate and the product owner. You don't need to create your own products, deal with inventory, or handle customer service. This means you can focus entirely on marketing and driving traffic. You're connecting people with products or services they're already looking for and getting paid for your efforts. It's all about matching the right product with the right audience. How do you get started? The process is simpler than you might think. First, find a niche you're passionate about. This will make your marketing efforts more authentic and engaging. This could be anything from fitness and nutrition to gaming or technology. Choose something you enjoy and have knowledge about. Next, find affiliate programs that align with your audience. This ensures that the products you promote are relevant and valuable to your followers. There are tons of affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. Each offers a variety of products and services to promote. Once approved, you'll get unique tracking links to share on your website, social media, or through email marketing. These links track your referrals and sales. Whenever someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The more traffic you drive, the higher your potential earnings. The key to success is to create high-quality content that provides value to your audience. This builds trust and encourages them to make purchases through your links. Recommend products or services you genuinely believe in, and that would be helpful to your audience. Authenticity is crucial in building a loyal following and achieving long-term success. Let's talk about building your own digital empire by creating and selling digital products. You have the potential to earn passive income while you sleep. Digital products can be sold an unlimited number of times without additional overhead costs. Once you create the product, it's good to go. You could write and sell ebooks, create and sell design templates or stock photos, or sell beats, sound effects, or online music lessons. Identify your skills and passions and package them into a digital product that people are willing to pay for. Once your product is ready, you can sell it on your own website, through platforms like Etsy or Shopify, or even on social media. Last but not least, let's talk about monetizing your expertise through online coaching or tutoring. If you're passionate about a subject or skill and can teach others, this could be a lucrative online business idea. Think about it. What are you good at? Are you a math whiz, a fitness guru, or a language enthusiast? There are people willing to pay for your knowledge and guidance. You can offer one-on-one coaching sessions via video chat, create and sell online courses, or host webinars and workshops. Establish yourself as an expert by creating valuable content, engaging with your audience, and showcasing your expertise. There you have it. 5 incredible ways to make money online without any investment. The opportunities are endless, and the only thing holding you back is yourself. Choose one of these methods, take action, and start building your online empire today. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos about making money online, entrepreneurship, and living life on your own terms.